Hi, I'm Melanie from Melanie Shore Yoga, and today we're going to be working on Uttanasana, which is also called standing forward bend. So this is done at the top of your mat. So you want to move to the top of your mat. Your feet should be hip width apart, the same width as your hips. Make sure they're facing forward parallel to each other and you're standing nice and straight. You're going to bring your hands to your hips. Breathe in, open up your chest, gently throw your head back. Breathe out, you're gonna fold forward and grab your big toes. You wanna make sure your neck is hanging, your shoulders are open and relaxed. You don't want any tension or you're gonna hurt your neck. And just hang and stay like this. You'll feel it pulling in your hamstrings. If you can't reach your toes, you can use a strap. And you're going to put the strap underneath your feet and go down as far as you can. Make sure that you hold the strap as close to your feet as you can. Your arms should be straight. Again, make sure your neck is hanging and your shoulders are open and relaxed. Then to finish and get up, you're going to breathe in, bring your head up. Breathe out, hands to your hips. Breathe in and come up, and breathe out, bring your arms down. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy doing Uttanasana at home.